The new generation is here, and it brings at least 7 reasons why 2026 Toyota RAV4 owners will be trapped with it forever. Not because the car is bad, but because it's so good that you'll never want to sell it. With this redesign, the RAV4 makes a significant leap in so many ways that we can surely say it's a compact SUV you keep for a lifetime. Let's check out the reasons. Number 7. Interior that finally matches the reputation. For the first time in RAV4 history, Toyota is delivering a cabin that's actually worthy of America's best-selling SUV. The interior has always been the RAV4's Achilles heel. Functional but forgettable, practical but dated within months of purchase. That pattern is about to be completely shattered. The 2026 model is introducing a completely redesigned dashboard that screams premium quality from every angle. The new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster replaces the tiny 7-inch display, creating a driver-focused environment that feels more like a luxury vehicle than a mainstream SUV. The center console gets a complete makeover with a clever 2-level design that provides designated spots for multiple smartphones without sacrificing storage space. What makes this interior truly trap-worthy is Toyota's focus on timeless design rather than trendy gimmicks. Instead of following fleeting fashion statements, the cabin uses high-quality materials and clean lines that won't look dated in 2035. The Softex faux leather upholstery extends to door panels, creating a cohesive premium feel throughout the cabin. Toyota learned from decades of RAV4 interior complaints and created a cabin so well-designed that owners won't want to trade it in even when newer models arrive. The build quality promises to age gracefully, and the layout prioritizes long-term usability over short-term wow factor. Number 6. Exterior beyond expectations. The outgoing RAV4 generation proved that good design can remain attractive for nearly a decade, but the 2026 model is taking visual longevity to an entirely new level. Toyota's designers have created a bold, aggressive stance that manages to look both contemporary and timeless. The new boxier profile abandons the sleeker crossover trend in favor of a more substantial SUV presence. Higher belt lines, straighter character lines, and a more upright greenhouse create a vehicle that looks purposeful and confident. The split headlight design and horizontally oriented LED taillights provide modern visual signatures without relying on trendy elements that quickly become dated. What's remarkable about this exterior design is how it balances current styling trends with classic SUV proportions. The cleaner body lines avoid the over-sculpted appearance that makes many vehicles look tired after a few years. Instead, the RAV4 uses restrained aggression and quality service development that should remain appealing well into the next decade. This isn't just about looking good today. It's about creating a design so fundamentally right that owners won't feel embarrassed driving a 10-year-old vehicle. Toyota has engineered visual appeal that transcends model year updates, ensuring that 2026 RAV4 owners won't suffer from automotive envy when future generations arrive. Number 5. Powertrain that remains relevant. The 2026 RAV4 is making a complete shift to hybrid-only powertrains, and this decision is going to create the most future-proof drivetrain lineup in the segment. With 2 exceptionally well-engineered electrified options, owners are getting powertrains that will remain competitive and desirable for decades. The standard hybrid system delivers 226 horsepower with front-wheel drive and 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive. These aren't just efficient powertrains. They're refined, smooth, and surprisingly responsive systems that make conventional engines feel primitive. Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid technology represents decades of development and refinement, creating a drivetrain that's virtually bulletproof in terms of reliability. For those wanting more performance, the plug-in hybrid setup is delivering up to 320 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful vehicles in the compact SUV segment. The 50-mile electric range means most daily driving can happen in pure electric mode, while the gasoline engine provides unlimited range for longer trips. As gasoline prices continue rising and environmental regulations become stricter, hybrid and plug-in hybrid technology will become increasingly valuable. RAV4 owners won't need to worry about their vehicles becoming obsolete or undesirable. They'll own drivetrains that are ahead of the curve. Number 4. Modern tech that won't become obsolete. After years of playing catch-up in the technology game, Toyota is finally delivering tech features that won't feel ancient 6 months after purchase. The 2026 RAV4 introduces Toyota's Arene software platform, transforming it into a software-defined vehicle capable of evolving through over-the-air updates. Every RAV4 comes standard with a 10.5-inch touchscreen that runs Toyota's latest multimedia system. Higher trims get a massive 12.9-inch display that rivals luxury vehicles costing twice as much. The new interface is cleaner, more responsive, and actually intuitive to use, a massive improvement over previous Toyota systems that frustrated owners for years. The real game changer is the over-the-air update capability. Instead of watching their infotainment systems become outdated, owners will receive regular software updates that add new features and improve existing functionality. This means the RAV4's tech experience will actually get better over time rather than gradually becoming obsolete. What makes this tech package truly impressive is Toyota's focus on functionality over flashiness. Instead of cramming in gimmicky features that break after a few years, they've prioritized systems that owners will actually use daily. The climate controls blend physical buttons with touchscreen elements, ensuring that essential functions remain easily accessible even as touchscreen trends evolve. Number 3. Safety expertise that keeps getting better. The 2026 RAV4 will be the first Toyota model to debut Safety Sense 4.0, representing the most advanced suite of safety technologies the company has ever developed. This isn't just about having the latest features, it's about owning a vehicle that will continue improving its safety capabilities long after purchase. Safety Sense 4.0 builds upon Toyota's already impressive safety foundation with upgraded cameras, improved radar sensors, and enhanced processing power. The pre-collision system now offers better detection of vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, while lane tracing assist provides more natural steering inputs. What makes this safety suite truly future-proof is its integration with the Arene software platform. As Toyota develops new safety algorithms and improves existing systems, RAV4 owners will receive these enhancements through over-the-air updates. This means the vehicle's safety capabilities will actually advance over time rather than becoming outdated. Instead of feeling pressure to upgrade for the latest safety features, RAV4 owners will watch their vehicles become safer and more capable with each software update. This creates a compelling reason to keep the vehicle longer, knowing that its safety systems will remain state-of-the-art for years to come. Number 2. GR Sport brings personality without compromise. Toyota is introducing the GR Sport trim to give RAV4 buyers a sportier option that doesn't sacrifice practicality. While it's not a high-performance variant like the Corolla GR, the GR Sport brings unique styling elements and enhanced driving dynamics that will appeal to enthusiasts who need a practical family vehicle. The GR Sport features exclusive design elements, including suede sport seats with GR logos, red stitching throughout the interior, and unique exterior styling cues. The suspension receives GR-specific tuning for improved handling, while larger brakes and stickier tires enhance the driving experience. These aren't just cosmetic changes, they're meaningful improvements that make the RAV4 more engaging to drive. What makes the GR Sport particularly appealing is its exclusivity. It's only available with the plug-in hybrid powertrain, creating a unique combination of performance, efficiency, and practicality that no competitor offers. For owners who choose the GR Sport, the combination of exclusivity, performance, and practicality creates a compelling reason to hold onto the vehicle long-term. The unique character and capabilities make it difficult to find comparable alternatives, effectively trapping owners who appreciate its distinctive blend of attributes. Number 1. Different personalities for different preferences. The 2026 RAV4's most innovative feature might be its multiple personality approach, offering 3 distinct design themes that allow buyers to choose a vehicle that truly matches their lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. This customization level creates such a perfect fit that owners won't want to compromise with anything else. Core models target traditional buyers with clean, sophisticated styling that emphasizes the RAV4's mainstream appeal. The paint-matched grille and understated design elements create a timeless appearance that won't look dated or overly aggressive. Sport variants, including the new GR Sport, bring aggressive styling with larger grilles, pronounced body cladding, and distinctive wheel designs. The contrasting black roof, rear spoiler, and summer tires create a more dynamic appearance that appeals to driving enthusiasts. The Woodland trim embraces the outdoor lifestyle with all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, and rugged styling elements. Standard roof rails, protective cladding, and unique LED fog lights signal serious outdoor capability. The bright orange interior accents and embossed seat patterns reinforce the adventure-ready character. This variety means Toyota can satisfy vastly different buyer preferences within a single model line. Instead of forcing compromises, buyers can choose the exact personality that matches their needs and desires. Once they find their perfect match, the motivation to switch to a different vehicle essentially disappears. The genius of this approach is how it eliminates the grass is greener syndrome that drives many vehicle trades. RAV4 owners won't look at other SUVs and wish they had chosen something different. They'll have exactly what they wanted from day one. This perfect fit mentality is going to create some of the longest ownership cycles around. But don't think that rivals will just sit and watch the new RAV4 dominate them. Check out this video about the 2026 Honda CR-V, turning haters into believers, which you can now see on the screen. The RAV4's key rival is getting a mid-cycle refresh, with the updates that could easily turn it into a class leader.